Hey everyone, on this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can find free Catia tutorials, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer business community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to type GrabCats. Then you click here on the first result. Then you go to community, then library. Then you go and click on tutorials. Then you change this option from most liked this month to all time. Then you change the software to Catia. Then as you can see here on the screen, these are the Catia tutorials on GrabCats, okay? Let's say for example that you want to visit the first Catia tutorial. You click on the first result. Then as you can see here, these are the images of this Catia tutorial, and in this case this designer is showing you how to design a 2S petrol engine case using Catia, okay? So this is all the images that could help you to design this model, okay? I'm gonna mention the link of this website, GrabCat. I'm gonna mention its link in the description box below, okay guys? So this is how you can find a free Catia tutorials on GrabCat. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer business channel. Thanks for watching.